crane collapsed onto container ship Ever Summit, Vancouver. A crane has toppled onto some containers at the port of the Vancouver Monday morning. Amber Belzer is live in the chopper with the latest details. A crane fell down at the port of the Vancouver on Monday morning. It appears an Evergreen container ship crashed into the crane while docking and the crane came down on some of the containers. It is unclear if anyone was hurt in the incident, but members of the Port Authority are at the scene. Crane collapsed onto container ship Ever Summit at around 09:00 Jan 28 at the Global Container Terminal, Vancouver. Ever Summit docked in Vancouver on Jan 28, arriving from China. No details yet on damage's extent. Container ship Ever Summit, IMO 9,300,453, DWT 78,200, capacity 7,024 built 2007, flagged Panama.